This is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to use the HomeRight Airflow Paint Shelter for dust-free projects. This tent-like paint shelter is super light and pops open in seconds. Because it's lightweight and compact, it's easy to place on a workbench, floor, or sawhorse table. Here's a quick tip. To keep your shelter from blowing off the table, look for the O tabs on each corner of the shelter. Here you can attach a spring clamp or thread a carabiner through it to then hang something weighted. If you'd like to use oil-based spray paint, you can use this shelter without the fan and filter. Be sure to close the back flap to avoid paint from escaping through. Most spray cans are oil-based, so you can use this shelter without the fan and filter and still keep dust and debris from your projects, as well as keeping paint overspray from tables, walls, or other surrounding objects. Insert a 20 by 20 air filter into the elastic straps inside the shelter with the airflow facing out. Next, attach a 20 by 20 box fan using the straps on the outside, and be sure it's blowing out and away from the shelter, which will suck the dust and debris out and away from your projects. By the way, the fan and filter are not included. This is the first time I've used the HomeRight Airflow Paint Shelter, and my first impression is that there's really a noticeable absence of paint fumes, which, is really nice. Now, to fold up your shelter, this can be a bit tricky. First, hold the shelter with the opening away from you. Second, rotate the front of the shelter a quarter turn to the left, then press flat. Now you'll want to stuff the tent into itself. Hold the top and the bottom of the tent horizontally. Here, I'm holding the top with my right hand and the bottom, larger side, with my left. Then, fold them in half together. Next, rotate your right hand so that you can easily twist the top of the shelter forward. You'll feel the shelter naturally folding into a loop. Grab and hold it in place, then stuff in any extra tent material. Now, take the other section that looks like a big oval and fold that in half. This is the trick. When you start to do this, it will snap into place and fold over. Adjust your shelter now so it's even and compact enough to fit into the bag. Use the elastic strap to hold, then place into the storage bag. You did it!